Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy Independence Day. I am very proud to be an Indian. Today we are making a veg tiranga pulao. For that, let's start. For making veg tiranga pulao, firstly I had taken a kadai and adding 2 tablespoons of ghee and all the spices like tej patta, star anise, cardamom, cinnamon, and let it fry little. After that, I am adding 1 cup of basmati rice which is soaked for 20 minutes before and adding it in 4 cup of water, and now we have to cook it for 15 minutes and add salt as per taste. Mixing the well, let it cook for 15 minutes. Covering a lid for a better cook. So after 15 minutes, let's check it out what it takes. Look at this, the rice is completely cooked. So we have to now separate the water and the rice. So like this way, I am removing all the water from this and let it cool for some time. On the another side, I had taken a kadai and 1 tablespoon of ghee, and in ghee now I am adding some cumin seeds and chopped onion little bit, and now we have to fry it. After that, we adding green chili, 1 green chili. It is optional. If you don't want, then you may skip. Now we can adding the spinach leaves chopped finely and the mashed green peas. We have to fry it and let it cook for 2 minutes. Salt as per taste and some coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mixing it well, let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, now we will add some rice. Look at this, it looks like cooked well. So now it is ready. At this stage, we will add the rice little bit and frying it well. It will look like this. This is our green colored ready. On the another pan, like the same way, I am taking 1 tablespoon of ghee and now I am adding some cumin seeds and finely chopped onion also. Like the same way, now we have to fry it and we have to add 1 of tomato puree in it. After that, we add some salt and some rice and let me fry this well. Like this way, the orange color is ready. Look at this. And now third one, that is white, you may use as it is. Otherwise, if you want some fried, then you may use like this way. And now we will fry the rice. Into this pan. Okay, like look at this. After frying this, now we may take for plating. Our 3-colored rice is ready. The orange one, the green one and the white one. So now let's start for the plating. I have taken a white colored plate and now I am placing the rice like this way, the 3-colored like this, the orange one like this way. Now in the middle, the white one, and the last one is the green one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.